everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm so happy that you're here to join me today. If you're new here, my name is Jasleen, and if you're a subscriber, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, a very quick one. I wanted to quickly unbox these before it gets dark out because the lighting will change and I don't know how to edit that, so we're gonna get straight into it. Again, this is another LUISAVIAROMA unboxing, and this box right here, you're gonna want to stay tuned for that because this is a very special piece and it is for you guys. So this is for you guys, and in the next video I'll explain more about it, but again, I wanted to do something nice, especially after COVID. A lot of people have really just not had the best time, and I wanted to do a little something special for YouTube. Speaking of positive vibes, this channel is positive, and generally I'm so happy in the short 2 weeks that I've been on here. The response has just been so positive and so encouraging, and generally you guys just like discussing things with you in the comments. Some of you have private messaged me asking for tips or asking for sales associate information, and I'm so happy that I was able to help out and get you the item that you needed. Really, it's really nothing. I mean, I'm just trying to pass the information around, and I love passing on information about a good sale, so I like sharing that with my fellow luxury addicts. So again, it's a very positive space, and I'm so thankful and grateful for all of you guys who have been supporting me, even though it's such a small channel. But I am thankful. This isn't something that I'm doing as a job. I have a career, but this is just basically something for fun. It's just an outlet to talk to you guys, and I love it. It's amazing. So okay, let's get straight into it. So I'm gonna unbox this last. Let's go for the big box. So this is from LUISAVIAROMA. This was delivered to me yesterday. The second box came in today. So again, it's all cling wrapped. I took the address label because I think that's probably wise to do. I see a lot of people doing that. They take the address off. But anyway, with LUISAVIAROMA, it comes in like a glossy type of navy blue box, and this time around they're changing the packaging, I think, because some of the boxes that I'm receiving are like this matte finish black box, and then it has like the glossy LUISAVIAROMA print. So just thought I'd let you know, these are really nice, hard, sturdy boxes. They're really great for like storing things in, so I do like to keep these, and especially like if you're selling things, it's nice to have sturdy boxes to ship the item in. So this is a little packing slip that you get with it. Okay guys, so this item has been on my wish list for a couple of years now, and anytime I go on to any site, it's always sold out, or I'm not able to get it in my size. I'm usually a size 40. It is a pair of shoes in European sizing, and this is a beautiful color, and typically stock is low in this color in my size. For whatever reason, they always carry just like one pair and then it's sold out. This time around it was on, and it wasn't on sale. I usually, for my size, by the time the sale hits, so usually LUISAVIAROMA does really great coupon codes of like 20% off, 30% off, 40% off. So some people really score this item from this brand at a great deal. Unfortunately for me, because my size is I guess pretty popular, and they don't always stock so much of it. So size 40 tends to be on the tail end, so they'll maybe keep like 1 or 2 pairs, but let's say for size 37, 38, they'll have a lot more, so they don't sell out as quickly as say a size 40. So I usually need to get on it if it's a color that I really like, and it is a very special color. It has been on my wish list, so we'll open it. So again, comes like so. So there's tissue paper, and sometimes they have a ribbon to really secure the item in place, but I think in these boxes they've changed it. So it is a pair of shoes, and I don't know if it will focus, from Manolo Blahnik. And if you guys want to guess what color I got, so this is the little booklet thingy. I don't know why it's not showing, because it's, I guess it's white, so it The brightness is definitely down from last time. I learned how to fix that, so I think it was overexposed in my last video. So you've got the 2 items in these 2 dust bags. So let's take out the one. Oh my gosh. Here it is. So they are the Manolo Blahnik Hanky pumps in this beautiful yellow satin color, and it's got like the sort of gunmetal strass buckle on the top, and says, if it's focusing, can I see? Yeah, Manolo Blahnik, made in Italy, size 40, and then there's a dot on the back. So apparently, you'd either have like a certain number of dots. So if there's 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, it just defines which factory it was made in Italy. So that's pretty neat, because apparently some people say between different factories the sizing can vary. So a size 40 may be slightly different than in a factory with 2 dots versus one that was made in 1 dot. I don't know, I haven't really experienced that, but I've heard that. So this is one pair, this is one shoe, and then let's see the other ones, or the other one, and the second one. So I'll try to put in some close-up shots, and the color is just absolutely stunning. I'm so like mesmerized. Again, 70mm heel. These shoes are hella comfortable. I mean, like I can actually walk in these heels, so that's why I want to invest in this type of style. And I know with other styles from Manolo Blahnik, they are very, very comfortable. There's a number that are on the LUISAVIAROMA website, also on the Manolo Blahnik website, that I've heard are really, really nice, so you might want to look into those. These were not on sale, but I actually was able to score a pretty good deal. So they came out, first they were on pre-order. So pre-order basically means that they don't currently have it in stock, but they are going to get a shipment come, you know, fall, winter, or whatnot. So they said the expected shipment was, say, September. And when there's something on pre-order, you can't apply a coupon code, you can't apply your gift card or store credit, you can't apply your points, right? So you have to actually pay for it fully. So I noticed one day, because it was on my wish list or my likes list, and then that these were no longer pre-order, and they had 1 pair in size 40, like that's all they had in stock. And I didn't want to wait for it to sell out. I did want to get the discount on these, and I ended up redeeming my LUISAVIAROMA points. So if I explained before, you know, I've been shopping them with them a long time, so I do have a number of points accumulated, and depending on the number of points, you can redeem it for a voucher. So I'll link the video where I discuss that. It's one of my first videos about the vouchers. So I was able to redeem about 300 euros to apply to this, and because it wasn't pre-order anymore, I could do that. So I got a significant discount, more than if I were to get, say, 40% off or 30% off. And the reason why I'm redeeming the vouchers now, I mean, I don't have any more points left, but the reason why I did, because I noticed in the past they had a 500 euro voucher, and this year that's no longer there. They only have a 300 euro voucher and then below. So I just want to use them now, because in case they even take away the 300 euro voucher, then I'm going to be stuck with, say, like 100 euros. And I mean, I'd rather just use like the 20% off, 30% coupon if it ever comes out live. So I was smart with my points and got these, and I can't wait to rock these. Most likely I will not wear these year-round, considering my lifestyle and considering the climate that I live in. These are satin. You have to be really careful that you're not going out in like the rain, or, you know, there's no snow outside. You know how it is in Canada, okay? But you know, these are special shoes, and you can definitely dress them down if you wanted to wear like denim or anything. Like, it really just pops. And they are a special pair of shoes, and I'm so glad that I got the price that I did here. I mean, if I was to pay, I don't know exactly what the retail price is in stores, I'll find out, and then you can see the difference, and like, it's amazing. I'm so happy I was never able to find this color. Okay, so the next item, guys, I haven't opened it yet, but this item is for you guys. So it comes in a beautiful square. I've never actually got a LUISAVIAROMA box this small before, but I guess because I just ordered this item on its own. So again, I'm going to do a video on this particular type of item, and that's when I'll do the giveaway announcement, but I just wanted to unbox it with you guys so you can see what's coming, okay? Alright, so shipping label, here it is, and I'll try to pack this up nicely for you guys later. Actually, let's not rip it. So, it's a little item. This is from Saint Laurent, or it used to be called YSLSaint Laurent, but now it's just, the house has changed its name to Saint Laurent. So you got this little nice box. And if you open it up, here is like the, I guess this is just information, right? I don't think there are authenticity cards with Saint Laurent, but I think there's like serial numbers, but anyway. So any guesses what it could be? So it is a lovely little brooch. So this is a croc embossed gold colored brooch, and I'm probably not wearing the right outfit with it, but it just dresses up any outfit. So stay tuned if you'd like to win this. I will be posting a video soon. Another fellow YouTuber, she actually did a giveaway as well, and we think alike. I was going to originally give away a card holder, and then she did that, so I didn't want to have two of the same giveaway going on at the same time. And the next best thing is like a brooch, because you can definitely dress this up. Like, it just looks amazing with all sorts of outfits. And just with the classic YSLSaint Laurent logo, you can just dress it up. So I'll show this to you in another video. I just wanted to unbox it with you guys, and you guys can get a preview of what's coming. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to tune in soon. I will announce when I'm going to be doing the giveaway. Again, I'm so thankful for the support that you guys have been giving me. You know, it's really nice to just be here and just chit chat with you guys on certain topics, and it's just amazing, and I love it. If you like this sort of content, please be sure to give this video a like and a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so, because there is a lot more content coming. I like to watch these sort of videos. It's entertainment for me, and I'm sure that you guys like to window shop on YouTube just like I do. So if you'd like to see more and you'd like to discuss all things luxury, then be sure to stick around, and let's chat in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think about the Manolo Blahnik heels. I'd love to get your feedback, so feel free to leave a comment or question in the section down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.